Okay, this video is for Joel. I have your 3-inch finished. I still don't. I'm waiting on parts for your Armatan bumper though, but this one's done. So I had to rebuild it pretty much completely just because it needed a new flight controller, but I guess I didn't look and I didn't see that you had the V1 Mamba mini stack. So I ordered the V2, and the plug is different on the V2. So I ended up just putting the whole stack in. Here's your old stack right here. I believe the flight controller is bad, but the ESC should be good. So yeah, I rebuilt the whole thing. I turned the VTX around to make it fit better so that you're able to do more angle on your camera. I installed the LED thing in the back here, so it's in place right there, and I set it up. You can set it up however you want. Let's see. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's about it. So this is the only XT, I mean, this is the smallest battery that I have with the XT60 on it, since you have an XT60. So I will hover it, but only just for a minute, because this battery is a little bit heavy for this build. It's not too heavy. This is just a 1000 4S, and you're probably using like a 850 4S, you know. So it's not too much heavier. But anyway, oh, I also reran the wires so that you have OSD, because I noticed that you had the video in just going straight to the video out on the VTX, so you had no OSD. So that should be set up now. I haven't looked yet though, but sometimes it'll be off screen depending on what the camera is set to or what camera it is. So if it's not on the screen, I will adjust it to where it is. Okay, let me plug in. Okay, yeah, it's there now. So if you plug in your little controller to the back of the camera, you'll be able to get rid of where it says Foxeer and these other two things. And then behind that is the regular OSD, the Betaflight OSD. You can see there's your battery voltage, and then in the middle here is your RSSI. And I did set that up so it is good to go. You can, well, you probably can't see, but it says 99. And then over here is your timer behind the RunCam timer. Anyway, so yeah, that's good to go. It looks good. Alright. Alright, here we go. Whew. Man, those motors are crazy. Alright, so yeah, it's flying good. It's good to go. You will have to rebind it, but the bind button's right there. Very easy to get to. So that should do it. I will let you know when I have the Armatan bumper finished up, and then I will ship them out to you. Alright, thanks, Joel.